It's a promise ring, but I want to make it an engagement ring.
Did you hear it? It's a promise ring, but Peter wants to make it as an engagement ring on the 21st of December on Mara and Ethan's special day. What can it?
Actually, yung facing promise really din siya, pero I want to make it official. Very engagement. It's promise ring also an engagement ring for us. If okay lang din mo, will you marry me?
Yes. Because they were asking, is that part of the script? No, it's not scripted. That's a surprise. Thank you so much. Okay, can we have a picture taken with Mara and Ethan, and also to thank you so much for that, Peter. You are a very brave man. Salute you. I salute you for that. Thank you, Peter. Wow. Picture with Ethan and Mara and the next groom and bride to be. Ay, nagkikinig na yung picture